Could you paint a picture of what the Shule was like? Can you remember the room?
It was a big building, but that Workman Circle rented space out because the unions met there and all kinds of things went on there. But this was basically a one-room, one-teacher schoolhouse. And she would have different things going on. So sometimes a music teacher would come and we'd all sing songs. Then she would break the class up into groups based on age and ability to read Yiddish. And Mrs. Lazarson was her name. And then we would do, maybe 3-4 times a year, we had programs where the parents were invited and we'd sing or we would act out plays in Yiddish. One memory I have, there was one evening that some famous Yiddish actress was coming. I don't remember who it was coming to that program, and she was going to be reciting something. And all the students were very excited that an actress was coming. And at one point, my parents walked in, and my mother was very beautiful, really extraordinary. I mean, you would notice her in a crowd. And she had on a hat, and she looked very elegant, and the kids all said, "Is that the actress?" And at that point, I never thought of my mother as being pretty. She was my mother. And I said, "What are you, crazy? That's my mother."